Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Hyundai Santa Fe headlight bulb easy guide. Start by opening the hood, locating the headlight assembly, and removing the plastic dust cover to reach the bulb. Turn the socket counterclockwise, pull the bulb straight out, and inspect the housing for dirt or corrosion. Wear gloves to avoid oil on the new bulb and compare the replacement carefully to ensure correct fit and type. Carefully remove the old bulb by unclipping the socket and turning it counterclockwise until it releases. Keep a firm but gentle grip and pull the bulb straight out to avoid contact with other components. Inspect the socket and wiring for wear and clean any debris before installing the new bulb. Note the bulb orientation so replacement installs the same way, ensuring proper beam alignment and secure seating in the assembly. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tips. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers are great for snacks and accidental spills while working on your car, a useful little convenience. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one too. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Put on gloves and align the new bulb with the socket, matching the tabs and orientation from the old unit. Push the bulb straight into the housing, rotate the socket clockwise to lock it, and reconnect the wiring harness firmly. Turn on your headlights to check low and high beams and adjust if the beam pattern looks uneven. Once confirmed, replace the dust cover, close the hood, and tidy any tools used.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.